today me and my brother are doing the Rubik's Cube challenge. So basically, well, I don't know if the Rubik's Cube challenge actually exists, but I've just made it up if it doesn't already exist. So basically, what you have to do is you shuffle the Rubik's Cube up, and you have 5 goes, 5 shuffles, and you have to get a line like that. Oh, what's mine? Like that, and in 5 goes. And then that's what I'll do with it. Yeah, what does it have to do? Yeah, so basically like that. So you go first. You have to show it on the camera.
Done.
Yeah, Trevor.
Almost done.
No, you have to do it on camera, you do.
Done.
No, how many goes did you have?
3. How many starting shuffles?
Right then.
You've not made that one though.
Made it?
You're not?
No, I didn't even make that. Let's see. Ah.
1, 2,
Wait. Oh, bingo.
3, 4, good.
Line of white and yeah, that's the root.
You can do. Okay, I've shuffled now. Wait, I said you would have started now. 1 second. Wait, I've not started yet. Ooh. 1 second. I don't want to start.
You blockhead. I should have known.
What do you do?
Oh, well, that's too bad, isn't it? Never give a kite a fly. Why? Because you're Charlie Brown. How clever mine all was. How many goes have you had?
None.
Yeah.
I've not even started.
So if I check on the video, it is.
No, I've just been having a look around and then moving, but I didn't actually mean it. No.
Probably more than 1 go.
2. Do it. 3 times.
Oh, now let's shuffle it though. Right then, let's do this. So, bingo! Ready.
1, 2.
Bam!
Where?
I don't know, I can do something else. Bam!
Boss.
Bam!
And
Bam! Bam!
Go in. Come on now. No, we're doing test request and after. No, we're doing it today. Done. 1 try. Well. I've done. We've only got 2 more minutes in doing this. Oh no, we're not doing this video. And check out this video.
You better not end the end of the.
I'm not. So after this one, we're doing the toxic waste challenge.
No, we're doing it tomorrow.
We're doing it today, Mason.
Tomorrow.
Today, you said today.
I didn't. And you meant to look there, weirdo.
Why?
I'm doing the Rubik's Cube challenge.
What?
You put all this stuff away on this paper. So hope you enjoyed this awesome video, guys. Yeah, and hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, and subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, then you'll miss out on the other episodes, and plus it's free. So yeah. Yes, bye guys, like and comment and whatever. Bye, whatever.